Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angry Video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to display content from Sanity and in Astro. Right, so in the previous video, we're just gonna get the code from the function that we made, but I'm just gonna explain it. So first off, we just made a JROQ query. So JROQ queries are basically article query, for example, it's just a JROQ query from Sanity, which we open up parentheses and then an asterisk. Then we choose the type of the query. So for this one, it's going to be article. All right. We already did that over here. And then we're just going to assign a const. And we're going to use the async await over here. And we're just going to use the sanity client. And we're going to fetch using the fetch method, we're going to use the article query over here. All right. Then I'm just going to console.log this. You could just remove this. And we're just gonna stringify this JSON and we're gonna display it over here. So this is basically how to display it, like just for testing. And then later on we're gonna display it as props. So this is video number 6. See you guys in the next video.